So how to withdraw money from Binance? So if you want to withdraw money from Binance, there is different way to withdraw money from Binance. Let me show you the best 3 ways to withdraw money from your Binance account. So after you open up now the Binance app like this, go to asset at the bottom right side. After you come to assets, so now let's say you have some USDT and you want to withdraw the USDT in your Binance account. So here are 3 ways to do that. Now tap on this withdraw button. After you tap on the withdraw button, from this option you have 3 options. The first one is says sell in USD. So if you tap on this sell in USD, now you'll be able now to sell your USDT into USD. From there, they will ask you to like put in your bank account for the USD account, and you can be able to send the USD to your bank account if your bank account suppose like accepting USD. And the second one is you can be able to withdraw the money using P2P. So this P2P is well-known marketplace in Binance. That's P2P, peer-to-peer transaction. So you can use P2P to send the money directly into your bank account. This doesn't need to be like USD account. You can use P2P to send the money into your bank account using your own currency. Let's say you are living like in like Pakistan, or like let's say you are living in Germany. You can use the P2P to receive the money in your local currency without just like getting USD account. And the last one, it says withdraw crypto or fiat. So you can use this one to withdraw it to another wallet. So if you want like to send the crypto that you are currently holding, you can send it to someone like in your area, and the person will send you the physical local currency of your area. These are 3 ways to withdraw money from Binance. So go and try each one of them and to see which one will you going to work with. And that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.